guys, Eric here. Thanks again for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. Today I'm going to show you how to take some cool fonts and apply them to something like Microsoft Paint. Add an image to there, for instance. Maybe add the image and add the font to the image. Whatever that may be, it's so easy to do, and there's plenty of stuff out there that you can work with to create your own original design. Well, original to a certain degree, right? So let's go to DaFont here. This is where you're going to check out some really cool fonts. And because the quarantine is going on right now, it is 2020, I want something in relation to that. Specifically, I'm going to do a hashtag quarantine life. So let's be specific here. Where do I want to go? Let's make it kind of interesting. We're going to go to the distorted part. Okay, this is the distorted fonts here, but make sure that when you are going here and head to more options, you want to make sure it's public domain and 100% free. Press enter, and now we're going to see some of this stuff here that we can go ahead and use. So let's say you wanted to use Experimento. You're going to go ahead and download. So we'll head to the downloads, and there it is right there. Let's go ahead and open it up. Let's go ahead and install. And what I want to do is head over to Pixabay, and I use this a lot of times when I'm interested in using an image. Specifically, I'm interested in vector graphics, but we want to look for the word quarantine. I spelled it right. Scroll down. Let's pick this image. And we're going to download that. Now let's go ahead and open to find that image. There it is there. And then I can go ahead and write text here. All right, so now you should be able to see the font inside here, which it was Experimento. Where is it at? There it is. For some reason the hashtag isn't working, so let's just use a different font. Let's make this a little smaller. Right above the planet there. Okay, go ahead and save that. Now we go to TeePublic, and that's where we want to upload that design. You'll notice there's specifications on the artwork there, so we need to make sure that it's at least 1500 pixels wide, right? Specifically, I looked it up online. It was 1500 by 1995 in pixels, so create the design. Uploads. Let's go to uploads. Let's go to the latest one we just did. Go ahead and open that up. All right, let's save that as a PNG. And then we're going to go to TeePublic here now and go ahead and upload that right there. Untitled design. Give it a title. Brief description. Tag. That's the main tag. You can give it other tags, whatever it may be. Quarantined. Now you can see here we can change a few things if we wanted to. We could keep it on a white shirt. Now keep in mind that this color is going to be on here, so I would say keep it on the white shirt. You can do it like that. And that's how you create a quick shirt with a font and an image and make it your own. Thanks for watching, guys. See you real soon.